Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because this is the setup step that makes a single, reliable stop possible. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then scroll all the way down to Accessibility Shortcut. Once there, tap VoiceOver so triple-click becomes its toggle. Do this now. It registers the Home or Side button as the single control you need. Once done, you'll be able to stop VoiceOver instantly without navigating the screen with VoiceOver gestures. You'll use the triple click exactly like a switch. When VoiceOver is speaking, press the Home or Side button 3 times rapidly. The phone will announce that VoiceOver is off. Make sure to press fast and straight. Slow clicks may not register. Practice this while VoiceOver is on so you build muscle memory. Once you master the rhythm, you'll stop VoiceOver instantly without hunting through menus, which is why this setup saves time and frustration. After you triple-click, confirm visually or listen for the short VoiceOver confirmation tone and the announcement that it's off. If nothing happens, open Settings Accessibility Shortcut to ensure VoiceOver is selected. If the button seems unresponsive, restart the iPhone and try again. Hardware button issues block the shortcut. As a backup, make sure Siri is enabled so you can say, "Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver," when the triple click doesn't work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.